Hello friends, today's our topic is Organic Chemistry Practical for B.Sc semester 1 to 6 and M.Sc semester 1 and 2. So today's topic is both B.Sc and M.Sc and I am Dr. S.D. Sutaria. Okay, so we are talking today separation of the mixture. Separation of mixture means binary and tertiary mixture. Otherwise two compound in the mix is a binary compound and tertiary means three compound is there. Okay, so 2 and 3 mixture, I think solid and solid liquids, but today only topic on the solid compounds. Okay, so start. And this other chart is here, the solid compounds and liquid compounds both are different and separate out. Otherwise this is for the only for B.Sc semester 1 to 6 this chart. Otherwise we are studying M.Sc students, so just some change. Okay, the organic chemistry compounds like solid compounds and liquid compounds two types. Solid compounds have also two types, soluble compounds and insoluble compound, same as liquid compounds, soluble and insoluble. Solid compound, soluble compounds is the acid, phenol and neutral, and insoluble compounds acid, phenol, base and neutral. These are the base is absent because base is always insoluble in the distilled water or in the water. Okay, this solubility is water. So liquid compound, otherwise M.Sc student, so only have student acid, phenol, base and neutral, all are the types in the liquid compounds, but B.Sc student only for the neutral. So neutral only and soluble and insoluble compounds. Okay, so without halogen and with halogen we are talk, but today topic is only for the solid, only solid. This topic later than. What is organic chemistry practicals? Organic compounds are classified into two groups of the bases of the soluble in water. The first one is soluble compound and second one is insoluble compound. The water soluble compound and water insoluble compound. While on the basis of their chemical characteristics, they are further classified into four groups. Okay, four group. This is the types. Which types? Acid, phenol, base and last one is neutral. These are the types: acid, phenol, base, neutral, and the sequence is follow. The first acid, second phenol, third base and fourth last one is the neutral. First one is the acid. Some details check out. Acid soluble in inorganic base. Which base? The weak base and strong base. For example, weak base is NaHCO3 bicarbonate and strong base with NaOH. So we are talking acid soluble in base. Simple. Acid soluble in base. Which base? Weak base and strong base. Both are. Phenol. Phenol soluble in base. Okay, because phenolic is acidic nature. This is the weak base. And the phenol soluble in only on strong base, only on strong base. Which base? NaOH and KOH also. So we are only one topic because they are the three liquid mixture is there: HCl, NaOH and bicarbonate. Okay, and some percentage is there: saturated bicarbonate, 20% NaOH and 50% HCl. Okay, next one, third base. Base soluble in the mineral acid. Mineral means inorganic acids like strong acid, hydrochloric acid. So we can talk base solubly in acid. Okay, so base always soluble in acid. And last one, the neutral. Neutral is unaffected any solution like acid or base. Okay, then after reprecipitation, the one compound is soluble in the acid or phenol or base. Okay, then reprecipitation is important things. Otherwise don't have a reprecipitation, so this not a consider from the particular type like acid, phenol, base and neutral. So Step by step we can check. Acid reprecipitation in the acid. Acid reprecipitation in only acid, unlike hydrochloric acid. So soluble in NaOH or bicarbonate and reprecipitate in acid. So we can talk only acid soluble in base but reprecipitate in acid. So acid reprecipitation, acid base soluble. Organic acid compounds mainly contain COOH group and reacts with the bicarbonate as well as sodium hydroxide strong base, and they produce their sodium salt, which water soluble but insoluble in ether. Some of the water soluble salt and ether is insoluble the sodium salt. Okay. RCOOH means R means any compound like methyl group, ethyl group and phenyl group. Okay, reacts with the NaHCO3. This is the bicarbonate NaHCO3. So what comes out of the answer? Okay, so RCOOH and this is the NaHCO3. The Na and OH, these are the react. Okay, so COONA, these are the product. COONA. So RCOONA, this is the sodium salt. Okay, sodium salt. This is the sodium salt. And what come after? It's later HCO3 and H. HCO3 and H. So H and H means 2H. So H2O. H2O and then O. Last one is the CO2. So H2O and last one the CO2 carbon dioxide gas is removed. So these are the sodium salt. Okay, reacts with the NaOH. RCOOH is the acid, NaAcid reacts with the sodium hydroxide. Further reaction is the also sodium salt. The yield is also sodium salt. This is the sodium salt means RCOO and Na, COONA. This H and OH, H and OH. This is the H2O. This is water molecule is removed. So both are produce sodium salt. Then soluble is this compound. The complete dissolve the acid soluble in the base, weak base or the strong base. And then reprecipitation is important thing. So how to reprecipitate? The sodium salt, we can talk the sodium salt and add hydrochloric acid. The sodium salt and add acid reprecipitate in the only acid. So acid HCl. So what are the things? The COO and this H, COO and H. The reaction mixture the produces the RCOOH and then NaNCl. These are the here sodium chloride salt. Okay, so RCOOH, this is the first one the RCOOH and the last one the RCOOH. So this is a pure form of the acid by a reaction the reprecipitation by HCl. These are the things of the acids. Okay, so next, reprecipitation of phenol. Phenol is reprecipitation in only acid because phenol is like acid, the weak acid. Okay, so phenol always reprecipitate in the acid. Phenol are weak acids and therefore they are reacts with the strong base like NaOH and produce their sodium salt. Okay, sodium salt. So phenyl structure. This is the benzene, phenyl structure. This is OH. This is the pure phenol compounds. Reacts with the sodium hydroxide. So phenolic sodium salt. Phenolic sodium salt. This is the oxide, sodium oxide, and this is the phenyl. So this is the phenoxide. Okay, this is the phenoxide compound is there. How comes? The phenyl and OH. So H plus is the remove and the react with the OH minus, Na plus react with the H minus, sorry O minus. So NaO and H plus comes to OH, then remove the H2O water molecules. Okay, then the phenoxide phenyl sodium oxide, phenoxide reacts with the HCl, because HCl reprecipitation is important for the phenol. So sodium salt reacts with the HCl, then H is comes here like this. PHOH means phenol compound is the pure form the reprecipitation, and last one the NaNCl, this is the sodium salt. Okay, so phenol is reprecipitate by HCl. Next, third one is the base. Base reprecipitates in only base. Base reprecipitates in only base and soluble in acid. So organic base compounds react with the HCl and produce their hydrochloric salt, which is also water soluble and insoluble in ether. Okay, like acid. This is the amine structure. R means I think this is the CH3, methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, ane, and phenyl ring system is also there. R reacts with the hydrochloric acid, so gives RH2, N Cl. This is the H plus and this is H plus, and this is the product. So this H plus and this is H plus attach each other, and this NH3 produce, and this sodium salt is not the removed by the any of the elements. So it's a continue with the sodium salt. The amine and hydrochloric acid reaction, then after produce the sodium salt. This is amine salt, amine salt, NH3 plus Cl minus. This is the only soluble. So base soluble in acid, this form. And how to reprecipitate? So this soluble compound, this is ammonium salt, and attach with the NaOH, base reprecipitation in base. So attach the base, and then after this R and H2 means amine is the become this NH2 and this NH2, this is the same product. Okay, so NH3, though H plus is the remove, H plus is remove, and chloride is also remove and attach with the NaCl and OH H. So two other products there, NaCl and H2O, water molecules. So like this, base always soluble in acid and base always reprecipitate in base. Next, neutral. Neutral compound is the organic compound do not react with the any solvent like bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide or hydrochloric acid. The saturated bicarbonate dissolve acids with the CO2 effervescence. NaOH dissolve both acids. NaOH dissolve both acids, and phenols, while HCl dissolve base. Okay, the phenol only strong base, and acid weak base and strong base, and base only strong acid. Okay, now turn on the type of the mixture. How to separate the mixture? How to separate? There is some example is there. This chart important for the separation of the binary and tertiary mixture for the B.Sc and M.Sc student both. Okay, so we can take some 1 or 2 gram of the mixture and add distilled water, shake well, and then filter. Then two parts. The one part is left side is filtrate and right side is the residue. Okay, the two parts, the filtrate on the beaker or test tube and residue on the funnel. The filtrate divided into 3 parts. First part, second part, and third part. The part 1 add saturated bicarbonate. The solution of the saturated bicarbonate, the effervescence of CO2 gas. This means acid present. Okay, and second test is the litmus test. You dip in the litmus paper in the solution part 1 or any other solution. So it's convert blue to red. this inform to acid. Second part 2 neutral FeCl3 and violet coloration is observed, so phenol is present. And same also test litmus test, blue to red, because phenol is a weak acid. Okay. And last, third part, evaporate to remove water means evaporation in evaporating dish. If residue water soluble compound is present, evaporating dish in residue, then we can consider the soluble compound is present. Okay, not if test 1 and 2 both are absent, then soluble compound is neutral. So we can consider three types: acid, water soluble acid; phenol, water soluble phenol; neutral, water soluble neutral. Okay, like this. And next is the residue on the funnel. Residue in add saturated bicarbonate, shake well, then filter. And two parts, left is filter, right is residue. Filtrate plus HCl, because acid reprecipitate only acid. Acid reprecipitation only acid, so acid is present, otherwise reprecipitation of the compound. Okay. Next, right hand side residue. Residue like phenol, base and neutral. Residue plus 20% NaOH, shake well and filter. It's also two parts, left is filter and right is residue. Filtrate plus hydrochloric acid. Phenol is acidic compound, so reprecipitate the acid. So HCl, filtrate plus HCl, reprecipitation, then phenol is confirmed, phenol present. Okay, comes to right side residue. And last, base and neutral. Residue is plus 50% HCl, shake well and filter. Then two parts, left filtrate and right side residue. Filtrate plus NaOH. NaOH means base, base reprecipitate in base, so base present. And last one, the residue on the funnel. Residue on the funnel. So consider the neutral compound present. These are the soluble compounds and these are the insoluble compound. So two types, left side is the soluble and right side the insoluble. Okay. Then after find out the type, we can separate from the organic mixture by directly the one of the solution, which the first topic is solid, solid, solid. Okay, mixture containing all water insoluble compounds. For example, acid, phenol, base, neutral. These are the types, four topics: add saturated bicarbonate, shake well, filter, left side filtrate and right side residue. The first is the acid present in the addition of the HCl and gives reprecipitation. Okay, these are the acid. And then some of the residue, two compounds, otherwise three compound mixture, solid, solid, solid. So there are the two compounds there because these are water insoluble compounds. Water insoluble compounds. Okay, so phenol, base and neutral, otherwise three types is there. So further add residue plus 20% NaOH, filtrate, shake well and filtrate. Then filtrate addition in the 50% HCl comes reprecipitation, then phenol is present, and the residue is base and neutral. So this is the one compound, this is the second compound and this is the third compound. So this acid, phenol and base and neutral, this is the slash. Okay, base or neutral, base or neutral. So this chart follow the acid, phenol and then after base and neutral nature. Next, water soluble acid plus base and plus neutral. Okay, the water soluble acid. So first of all we add water and then shake well and filter. This is the filter is the water extract. Okay, this is the water extract. This is the nothing addition, this is evaporation. obtained by the evaporation in evaporated dish, and the comes out the remains residue, this contain acid present. So we can consider this type of the solution of the mixture. The water soluble phenol, this is the phenol, water soluble phenol plus acid plus base and neutral. Type is water soluble phenol, water insoluble acid and water insoluble base or neutral. Then separate up this type. So first of all, take a distilled water and mixture, shake well, filter, filtrate, evaporation in the dish, remain the residue. The residue contain the phenol, water soluble phenol, and the residue right hand side add saturation of the sodium bicarbonate, shake well and filter. The filtrate addition of the 50% HCl, reprecipitation, then acid conform, and the last one on the top of the funnel, this is the consider of the base or neutral. Same way, water soluble phenol, base and neutral, this is acid is cancelled, base and neutral, this is the acid and this is the base and neutral. So we don't add the bicarbonate. Okay, shake well, filter, filtration, this is the same process, and this is the change, the residue base and neutral. The first of all the separation of the base, and last one is the neutral. So base soluble in HCl, hydrochloric acid, and reprecipitation on the sodium hydroxide. So residue plus 50% HCl, shake well and filter, then filtrate left hand side, filtrate addition of the 20% HCl, reprecipitation, this consider of the base compound. And the last one, the top of the funnel in the residue, we can consider the neutral compound is present. Same way, neutral, water soluble neutral, acid, phenol or base, this is the acid. The soluble compound, the process same, acid, phenol, base, neutral, sorry, base is insoluble, acid, phenol and neutral, same situation. So some of the change, the water shake well, filter, filtrate is neutral, residue, the residue per saturated bicarbonate, the two types filtration and residue, the filtration addition of 50% HCl, reprecipitation consider the acid, and the remaining residue on the funnel, this is the phenol or base, okay. And last one, this water soluble neutral plus phenol plus base, the neutral is same, this is the phenol and base. The phenol is acidic compound soluble in the hydrochloric acid. The residue plus 50% HCl, shake well, filter, then filtrate addition of the 20% NaOH, the reprecipitation of the compound, then consider this is the base. Okay, this is the base. Some changes the base, the phenol consider the first and last is the base. So this is the some changes here. Okay, this is the base and this is the phenol, and this is the attached with the phenol and base. The phenol change dissolve in the NaOH. This is the wrong, residue plus 20% NaOH, shake well, then filtrate plus addition of 50% HCl, then reprecipitation, then consider of the phenol, not a base. This is the phenol, and last one is residue on the top of the funnel, this consider of the base. So phenol and base, some chart is the wrong in the printed, so now we can understand and easily check this formula. Okay, so thank you. Otherwise you like the video, so like, share and subscribe. Okay.